This video will talk about relational operators, how to do comparison to compare numbers to determine the relative order. Some of the example of the operators are greater than, okay, less than is greater than, okay, this is less than, this is greater than or equal to, this is less than or equal to. Okay, to do a comparison for equal, you need to have double equal sign here, and to do comparison for not equal, this is how you do it, using the exclamation mark and the equal sign. Okay, so Boolean expression will result in true or false. Okay, so example, if you have an expression like this will evaluate to true. Okay, and this one, example 8, less than or equal to 6, this will evaluate to false. Okay, let's say if x is 10, and if you do a comparison such as this, then this one will result in true. Okay, because x is equal to 10. If it is not equal to 6, this one will result, you are testing whether x is not equal to 6, this one will result in true, because x is 10, which is not equal to 6, so the result is true. If it is equals to 6, this one will result to false. Okay, because x is 10, which is, you're trying to test whether it is equal to 6, so the result is false. Now it can also, the result of the operation can be assigned to a variable. Let's say, for example, you have a Boolean variable and you want to test whether, and then you have a integer x which is equals to 10 and y which is equals to some value, and if you do something like this, x are greater than or equals to y, then it will show, since x is not greater than y, okay, so this one will result to false. So the output, the result will be stored in result variable as false. Try to output it. Okay, and you will see that the result is 0, which is false. Okay, and make sure you don't confuse with it's always assigning 0 to be false, okay, and 1 as true. Okay, and make sure you don't confuse with the assignment statement and the equal sign statement. Okay, because these two are different. This is to assign. Okay, this is to assign. For example, like this, you are testing for equality whether x is equals to y, This is, you are testing the equality. This one, the result will be false because x is not equal to y. And this is assignment statement. So the result of this will be assigned to this Boolean variable. So make sure you don't confuse between the assignment statement and the equal operator.